Biodroga Medical Institute acid treatments, we are going to use up to 3 acids, which we're going to mix and match for different skin types. So here is the recipe for mature skin with the different treatment. Week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Glycolic acid 35% for pumps with the first one. My second one is the Phytic Acid 10%. And my third one is my Malic Acid 20%. I'm going to mix them together and then apply them onto the skin. Set a timer on for 3 minutes.